Today I'm going to be talking about a great credit card being offered by Gemini. Now, Gemini is a crypto exchange. You may have heard of the creators of Gemini. If you heard about the origins of Facebook, there's the Winklevoss twins. They actually had a skirmish with Mark Zuckerberg, and they had a settlement with him. And instead of being bitter and saying, damn, we could have become billionaires and take our settlement and just be upset about it, they took the settlement money they got from Facebook, and then they created Gemini. And well, first of all, they invested in crypto, a lot of Bitcoin, and then they decided, you know what, there really needs to be a very good exchange that people can rely on, is trustworthy, and is actually following regular laws with regard to securities and banking and all that stuff. So they created Gemini, and now if you want, you can join a waiting list to get the Gemini credit card. Now, why am I so excited about the Gemini credit card? The major reason is that they're going to offer benefits up to 3%. Now, I know you might say, wait a minute, up to 3%? Well, we don't really know the details about this, but I'm under the assumption it will not be too hard to get up to 3%. Like, there are a lot of cards out for even 5%, but then it's like a product category or it's some kind of weird restriction. But here's the coolest part about Gemini. That 3% will be paid for with crypto, which means that if your crypto goes up 100%, that 3% is actually worth 6%. And do you know any other credit card that even offers anything close to 6%? Obviously not. Now, of course, it's going to be up to 3%. I think on the website it says that there will not be any transaction costs associated with that. So let's say you have enough rewards to get, let's say $100 worth of crypto. Well, apparently you will not have to pay any fee either. So that means that this is actually worth even more than 3%, because normally you have to pay for a commission in order to buy crypto. So I think that's an additional benefit that I see from it. And also, the Gemini brand is a really high quality one. They don't have a yearly fee. A lot of cards that offer you anything above 2%, they usually have yearly fees, which is a huge problem too. So that's about all I know about Gemini. Let me see if my brother has anything to say. Do you have anything to say about the Gemini credit card?
Well, I was the one to tell you about it, so you know about it from me.
Okay. Okay, everybody. So be sure to click the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
Also, you get to be exclusive right now. If you get it, there's not going to be anyone else with it, so you can be one of the top tier people. Say, I have the Gemini credit card. Maybe in a few years it'll be different, but if you get on their list right away, you'll be one of the few elites that get to have it.
And here's the worst part about the card. I don't get a commission on it. So I'm doing this purely to help everybody on here. I don't get anything out of it. I think it'll be cool if you do. But if not, let's just be friends anyway. Subscribe. So see you in the next video.